I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. When we're making our deep conditioners, we want them to be thick, creamy, and filled with slip and softening properties for our hair. However, that can take many ingredients and a lot of trial and error when formulating. So today I'm going to show you how I made 3 different deep conditioners, and it only took me 5 minutes each to make them. Very easy, simple, and I'm excited to get started with this video. The full formula is in the description box below. If you guys follow me, you have seen me make a deep conditioner from scratch before, and in most cases the formulation took about 15 to 10 ingredients, a lot of different ingredients to make a deep conditioner. This formulation only needs one and it will work for all 3 conditioners. This white powder is called Ice Hair Restore for short, and the INCI is cetyl alcohol, benzimonium chloride, and polyquat 37. This is a blend of thickening agents, emulsifiers, and conditioning agents that will make a complete deep conditioner by just adding water. That's it, literally water. Of course, you can add your emollients like different oils and extracts, and of course your preservative to make a complete deep conditioner. And that's what I'll be showing you next, how you can add to this mixture to get 3 different deep conditioners with different benefits, but the same beautiful, thick, creamy base. Or you can use less or more water to make it thicker or a little looser. So I will be showing you guys that right now. So let's jump right in. The very first one will be just the plain deep conditioner where I'm just adding water and a little bit of oil. So the first deep conditioner is just a basic deep conditioner that you can build upon. You can add different oils, extracts, or whatever you prefer to this base. To hydrate the powder, I'm adding about 250 grams of distilled water, and then I'm just going to use my immersion blender to make sure it's well blended. Now, this is a very thick deep conditioner, so I would prefer to use a larger beaker than I did. That way it'd be easier to blend this. It took me a lot of time to really blend this because it was super thick, but once you really get it well blended, it is super thick and creamy and smooth, and it's an actual beautiful deep conditioner, and all I did was add water. So let's talk about the consistency. This is super thick because it's a deep conditioner, but if you wanted something that could be put in like a squeezable bottle, then you can definitely add more water and that will loosen up your conditioner. So this is a great DIY just to play around with to see what different creations you can make, okay? So for this particular deep conditioner, I'm just going to add some marula oil, has some great benefits for hair. And then I'm going to add my fragrance oil, which I'm using honeysuckle, which is such a beautiful smell for deep conditioners, shampoos, things of that nature. And then of course your preservative. The preservative is not optional, but you can omit the oil or omit the fragrance if you want it to be unscented or have less oils or no oils at all. You can definitely use this just by itself by adding a preservative, okay? And you definitely don't have to use the fragrance oil or essential oil or oils that I am using. You can always switch them out for whatever you're looking for in your deep conditioner. Look how thick and creamy and beautiful this is. Absolutely, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, let's move on to the second conditioner. This is a hibiscus tea deep conditioner. You guys have seen me make several hibiscus deep conditioners, and it has taken 15 to 20 ingredients to make them. So this time all we need is to infuse our distilled water with the hibiscus tea. Now we're just going to add our special ingredient, the Ice Hair Restore, and we're going to blend that together, and that's it. Instantly you have a hibiscus tea deep conditioner, and it only took literally 3 ingredients at the most. As long as you know how to infuse your distilled water, you can use whatever herbs you like. And then I'm just gonna use some carrier oil and a fragrance oil, and then of course the preservative. And now I have a complete hibiscus tea deep conditioner just like that. Look how beautiful that is. I did end up adding a little bit more water to this particular formula because I wanted to show you guys that you can have a looser, more free-flowing deep conditioner, and this just turned out exactly how I wanted it to. It's beautiful, it's creamy, and it has so much slip, you guys, so much softening properties. Ridiculous. And just like that, you guys, in 10 minutes, we have literally 2 deep conditioners already made. Now let's move on to the very last deep conditioner. We're using the same basic deep conditioner base. The only thing I'm doing differently is I'm using my infused moringa oil instead of the other carrier oils. That's it. All I did was change my oil. This infused oil gives off a really beautiful natural color. So it just goes to show if you wanted to add a little extra color or something to your deep conditioner, you can do that. I paired that with lemongrass essential oil and of course my preservative, and I have a complete moringa deep conditioner just like that, you guys. I don't even think this one took 5 minutes to make. It was super easy, and I don't know what to say. It's super easy. I have been experimenting with moringa, and this was the perfect way to experiment using a deep conditioner. All I had to do was add the infused oil, you guys. So click the link up above if you want to see exactly how I made the moringa infused oil. But look at this beautiful conditioner, you guys. Ugh. A way to really reap the benefits of certain ingredients is just to add it to this deep conditioner base. And so now I'm just going to place them into their container so you guys can see the different textures. Like I said, adding more or less water will give you a different consistency. So that's all for you to play around with to kind of see exactly what you're looking for out of your deep conditioner. But the biggest thing that we're looking for are softening properties and deep conditioning properties, and of course a whole bunch of slip. And these 3 conditioners have all of that plus some, okay? The conditioning agents in this base will penetrate your strands and actually deposit those conditioning properties into your strand, making your hair softer, more manageable, and easy to detangle. So it has some really great ingredients that you guys usually will have to source out from the manufacturer separately and then incorporate into your deep conditioners. But this powder makes it easy because it's all in one. And I just think that's really cool, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. There are a lot of different manufacturers that you can find that have almost like a pre-made base, and all you have to do is really add whatever you want to add to it, water and other ingredients, to get a complete product. And yeah, I just feel like it's a great DIY for you guys to check out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys would like me to explore other pre-made bases and then show you guys how to use them, definitely leave me a comment down below and I can definitely do that for you guys. In the meantime, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because it's the only way you can keep up with the videos I'm coming out with. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. It was so much fun. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check the description box for the actual measurements that I use to make these deep conditioners. And that's it. All right, bye.
Side by side, unafraid of what we can. Wanna release it, wanna release it.